being put in place. For example, my cool wife card was revoked when I said if his friends have nothing better to talk about other than banging chicks while around me, they're all in relationships or marriages, then they have no reason to be in my home. One of the wives won't even let the guys swear, but I'm supposed to listen to them brag about all the hot girls from high school and taking turns sharing who they rather. Time and place, I guess. Strip clubs are also off the table, but the other guys sneak and go behind their wives' backs. I only know because they all thought I was young, hot, and cool in the beginning. That gained me the controlling title. It all led to him resenting me because now he was missing out on all the single fun. He's told me he withholds sleeping with me as a punishment because he doesn't see his friends like he used to. Which is in no way my fault. I'm good friends with one of